Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zahilmi bin Muhammad Kamil.
My name is Muhammad Ilham Izani bin Roslan.
Is Ahmad Arim Najmi bin Faizal.
My name is Muhammad Aidil Abdullah.
My name is Muhammad Ibn Basrul from KIM 11040. So this video is for our presentation of IMD 222 subject, the subject of Technical Support Services and Maintenance for Information Agency.
Okay, today I will show you step by step how to install Windows 10, and I will install in my USB flash drive. First, you must open your Google or any search engine, and then you must type Windows 10 and enter. Then you must click at the top of the page, which is download Windows 10 this image ISO file. Then you must click. Okay, after that, it will appear like this, and you must click download tool now. Okay, you can see in the left bottom, they will show you the folder that they has been downloaded, and you must wait for a moment. Okay, after that, it will show you this menu, which is getting ready, getting a few things ready, which is you must wait for a while. Okay, after a while, it will appear like this, which is Microsoft Software License Terms, and then you just click accept, and you're gonna wait for a little bit moment. Okay, after a while, it will appear like this, which is they give you two options, which is upgrade this PC now or create installation media USB. Okay, we're gonna choose create installation media. Then it will appear for language, edition, and architecture, which is you just gonna ignore them and just click next. Okay, for today I will use USB flash drive, which is you need at least 8 GB free in your USB flash drive. After that, click next and choose the removable drive. Then click next, and you must wait for a minute. Okay, you can see right here they're being downloaded, which is their progress is 0% because it's depend on your internet connection. Then after that, it will say USB flash drive is ready, and you must click finish. And it's appear that setup is cleaning up before it close, and it may take a few minutes. So we're gonna wait a few minutes before it totally finish. Okay, after it finish, you can already use that Windows 10.
Next is I will show you how to download and install the VMware. First, you need to click the Google and type VMware download. Next, you must click the top one. After that, you must click download now for Windows and wait for the process. As you can see at the bottom left, the download has already started, and now you have to wait for the download to complete. After the download has been completed, you have to click at the downloaded VMware to install it. Then you must click next.
So the third step is the installation of the operating system using the virtual machine. First, pick the typical to create the types of the virtual, and second, So there are install option from the 3 different option, which is the installer disk, ISO file, and also later of the installation. So we choose the ISO file. So we browse of the location of the ISO file, and we will click next. So rename the virtual machine names. So this is named as IMD 222. So press next. So before that, choose the location of the where we want to put the virtual machine files. So recommended size, and we will using the 16 gig, which is the recommended size, and then click next and finish. So this is the properties of our virtual machine. So the virtual machine will be started to creating, and inside, and they also will perform the installation process. So we have to wait the installation of the operating system and the creation of this in the virtual machine. So this has been created. So we have to choose the boot normally, and as it will started to install of the operating system. So this is the logo of the Windows operating system. That is the operating system that we choose to install in this virtual machineware. So from this we can choose language, time as currency, and also the keyboard. So we will put the next, install now. So as we don't have the activate key, so I will choose the I don't have a product key. So this the operating system that is available as we want to install. So I choose the Windows 10 Home. So after we read all of the notice and the license term, we put and select the drive that we want to use and press next. So this is the process of the installing of the Windows. So we must wait for a couple minutes or for a while as it will install the Windows properly. So we just wait. So this is the process as we want to install of the operating system. So after the installation, the Windows will automatically rebooting, and it will getting ready of the setup of the operating system itself. So what we have to know is this is quite a time consuming process, but it is not too long process as it will complete within a short time. So this is the first page of the installing of the operating Windows. So this is the operating Windows Windows 10. So this is the Cortana. as the preface of the installing of the operating system. So we just click yes. Keyboard input. So I will choose the I don't have the internet. So just pick the continue with limited setup. First, put your name as the user of this PC. So I put the IMD 222 and the password of the account. And also pick your security question for recover of your account. And we have to wait a moment. So just accept it. So you can click either yes or no. This also you can click as the accept or not. Now for the assistance of the Cortana. So a few moments before it completing its installing process. So another one to wait for. So this is our process of the installation of the operating system, which is the Windows operating system. So this is our Windows operating system. The interfaces. So we have completed the Windows operating system installation process.
I will explain you part 4, setting up your operating system. For 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 the first, we have to show desktop icon. What you need is open setting and find the personalization. On the left side we have themes and click on desktop icon setting. That will appear and you must tick all of the icon and apply it and click OK. For the next is we have to change the wallpaper to logo UiTM for desktop wallpaper like this. Open the picture and setting as wallpaper desktop. For number 3, I will show you to how to install device manager. First, you have to search device manager and click on it. wait. After you open device manager, first you have to open audio input and output, computer, device, disk drive, DVD and CD-ROM drive, keyboard, human interface device, monitors, and that will appear, and open the non PMP and update and search automatically to install the device drivers. And this will appear, and you close the to check this if it work or not, and close it. After that, we need to the another step is perform this partition. First we have to search, open this manager and open it, and right click on this and choose shrink volume, and I change to 2000 MB, which is 2000 gig. Right, and right click on this C and choose properties and click on this cleanup on the right. And this cleanup will be work. Click to add this system arrow mini dump file and click OK. The box will appear and click delete files and close it. Next, we move to click this PC and choose properties, and after click on advanced system setting, find the performance on and click setting at the top of the box. Choose adjust for the best appearance and click on the background surface and change, and unclick this and the size, and to custom the size 1024 MB and maximum size is 1600 MB and click OK. And the properties was changed and close all of the folder, and we open the control panel and click user account to change the account, and click make change to my account in PC setting. On the left side, we click on family and other users, and this box will appear, and we have to fill in the box of OS installation demo and put your password to make it secure. And also fill the box below if you forgot the password that you create, and click and next after it. After that, setting it must you setting the account type as you have to change to administrator and click OK. Next, I will just show you to create a group account. Open the computer management and click on it. On the left side, we have to click local users or group. and choose a group. And we right click and click on the new group. Fill the box with a demonstration of OS installation, and on the description section educational. After that, we click add button and advance. We choose in the find now, scroll down and find IUSR and click OK and create it. And it will appear on the file of the group, and close it. And right click on the taskbar and will be appear, and click on the task manager to show run task manager. Right click. There are no application that running. That we have to do is open Microsoft Edge first and minimize it. And we open the task manager. The Microsoft Edge will appear on the task manager. Right click to have to know the function of the task manager and task. But for next step is show your run device manager. Click on the search and find device manager. What we need to do is to check the device manager that work properly. Click on the file option. That we need to secure that this device manager is okay, not have any problem. I want to show you to click on the view that I need to customize view. I close the status bar and taskbar navigator task and OK. After that, we click on the device, this graphic card ATA channel 1, to check the graphic card is available or not.
So for the conclusions, without the operating system, the computer cannot run the application and we cannot do works in the computer. And therefore, the operating system is very important in the computer.